Hello everybody once again, this is Aqua Kazoo and welcome back for another week of T Gaming Roundups. This will be episode 4 and as always it will be in the following order of guides: guild feature, PvP, events coverage, Nicole's MGR though none this week, and live stream highlights, and last but not least any other matters that we might want to talk about. This week for guides, we have provided the exact rewards you receive from the new level up rewards chest from level 2 all the way to level 50. Be sure to check it out to know when to receive the respective rewards, like the Trading House Specialty Kit. I'm sure you don't want to stack them up and waste a number of days on them as they are worth 7 days duration, and if you pick 2 of them up together then they do not stack, so be sure to check that out. We also started a new series known as Knowing Your Skills in Dragon Nest. It's a video where I'll pick 2 skills in Dragon Nest and tell you the important mechanics of these 2 skills like the iframe and many other things, so it's definitely a must watch for both PvE and PvP players. So next week we'll be talking about Triple Slash EX and Freezing Sword EX, so stay tuned for that. For guild feature, the X line is finally featured this week. Luck is no excuse is their guild's motto, so they're pretty much an awesome guild with a very nice guild website as well as well-organized events such as featured players and eternal PvP tournaments. Be sure to check them out, links provided in the description below the video. For PvP this week, yours truly, Nicole or Elizabeth, is dashing it out in ladder at around 2000 ratings. She started her very own new series known as the PvP ladder series, and while we're watching it, you can have fun knowing and seeing her reactions. And be sure to show her your support by watching her new ladder series with more episodes to come, definitely. For events coverage this week, we just did the 100 magnifying glass testing for the improved magnifying glass rewards event. This is known as sprucing up the Magnifique chest bonuses. Did I pronounce it correctly? I guess not, but be sure to check out our findings, analysis and verdict in the article, link provided in the description below the video. If you have been following the Dragon Nest Sea Facebook page, you might have already seen the pictures of Gigantus Nest, the new Dark Lair portal I believe, as well as Sea Dragon Nest Hardcore mode. Will these content updates come next week? Is it too soon? Leave in the comments below what you think about it. We didn't have any live stream this week, but if there are any new content updates next week, you'll definitely see some new exciting live streams, especially with the release of SDN Hardcore and Gigantus Nest if they come about. That's all for this week's roundups. We have just reached over 5,000 subscribers on our channel. A big thank you to everyone who have showed us their support and love. A giveaway event will be held next week in celebration of that, and I'm thinking of uploading a playthrough of the newly released game known as Borderlands 2. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. And last but not least, remember to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, God bless once again, and I'll see you guys and girls next time.